So this practice may help you to dissolve anxiety, hopefully feel more peace in the body, in the mind, more relaxation. So getting comfortable, closing your eyes if you're in a posture that feels really good, and closing your eyes feels good, trusting in your body, and just really noticing your breath, its normal rhythm, and not trying to control it, and just letting that bring you down into the moment. Gradually allow your awareness to gather around the sensations of the breath in your body. Where do you feel the breath most strongly? Be curious about your actual experience, letting go of what you think should be happening, and being with your experience without judgment. Now very gently rest your awareness within the whole torso. Can you feel your belly swelling on the in-breath and subsiding on the out-breath? Can you feel any movement and sensations of the breath in the sides and the back of the body as well? Gradually inhabit your body a little more deeply with a sense of kind curiosity towards whatever you're experiencing as you breathe. Remember to be accepting of whatever is happening, holding your experience with gentle awareness as it is. Seeing if you can cultivate a precise awareness of the sensations and movement of the breath in the body as they happen, moment by moment, being careful not to strain. Allow your awareness to be completely and utterly receptive as it rests upon the natural movement of the breath in your body. Allowing your breath to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth if that feels good. Making any sounds with your breath. Allow the breath to be saturated with kindness as it rocks and cradles the body, soothing any stress, pain, or discomfort you may feel. Allowing yourself to become aware of any thoughts and emotions that might be popping up. Remembering that mindfulness isn't about having a blank mind. It's completely normal to think. You can't actually make your mind go blank. Mindfulness is the training where you cultivate awareness of what is actually happening, whether that be physically, mentally, or emotionally. With increased awareness, you can gradually change your perspective and feel you have more choice in how you relate to your life. See if you can look at your thoughts and emotions rather from them. Can you be aware of what you are thinking and feeling without blocking the experience or getting overwhelmed by it? And then anchor your awareness back to your breath. Your next breath is always just another breath away. Use awareness of the movement and sensations of your breath in your body as an anchor for the mind over and over again. As thoughts arise, know that they are not facts, even though we often think they are. As you develop perspective on your thoughts and emotions, can you let go of being so caught up in them? Notice how they're continually changing one moment to the next, maybe jumping in different places. Exactly the same way your breath is always changing. Your thoughts and emotions are not as fixed as you maybe would think. And always coming back to your breath. Follow the breath all the way in and all the way out. Each time your awareness wanders, as it will naturally, simply note that returning to the breathing anchor time after time after time, moment by moment, making sure you're very kind and patient with yourself, even if you have to keep starting again 100 times. Starting over and coming back is perfectly okay. This is what meditation is all about. It's like training every time you do it. And remember that each time you notice you've wandered, it's a magic moment of awareness, a moment where you've woken up from a distraction, a moment of choice. So when you catch yourself having wandered off, you're succeeding in the practice, just as you're succeeding when you manage to stay with the breath, even just for a moment. Continuing to do deep breaths. Make any connection points with your hands on your body if you're feeling called to an area to breathe deeply in that spot, noticing what's happening there. Just noting without analyzing or latching on, and guide your awareness back to the sensation of your breath. And now gently begin to bring the breathing anchor practice to a close, sending your breath to any spots that are really calling for it. Starting to just bring some movement, gentle movement into your body. I say little wiggles of the fingers and the toes, gentle rocking of your head and your neck side to side. When you feel ready, slowly blinking your eyes open in your own time, becoming aware of the sounds around you, inside your home, outside your home. When you feel ready, I always like to say, invite you to stretch your arms over your head, whether you're sitting or lying down, if that feels good. Begin to move. Give yourself time to make a smooth transition from this breathing anchor practice to whatever you are doing next today. Remembering you do not have to sit up or get up right now. You take as much time as you need as you settle back into the room and your environment.